back-breaking chore, and you can scrub your tile, but it always needs more. There has to be an easier way. From the makers of the best-selling Hurricane Spin Mop comes the all-new Hurricane Spin Scrubber, the new cordless and rechargeable power scrub brush that cleans faster and easier. Even these dirty old tiles are no match for Spin Scrubber, blasting right through the grime, sparkly and clean every time. It makes quick work of calcium, soap, and hard water stains, clear and clean in seconds. The secret is the rotating brush spinning at 300 RPM. The incredible torque can bust through any caked-on crud with ease. So forget harsh chemicals. Now restore the shine and luster to any surface in a flash. You'll never need batteries because it comes with the latest rechargeable technology. Forget bending and straining to clean the tub because you'll get this extension pole free. Now you can easily reach down into the tub to power away stains or into the shower to clean moldy grout and tiles. Even clean those areas you couldn't normally reach. And we're not done yet. You'll also get this free soft flex cone brush that fits perfectly into corners. There's no easier way to get faucets sparkling clean. Also use it to blast away the burnt mess on cooktops. Even get into tiny crevices on the fridge door, or best of all, those hard-to-reach shower door rails. Plus, there's more. We'll include this extra-large flat brush free. Use it around the rusty sink drain or to bust through dirt on the shower floor. And there's no better way to power through the oven door grime, so it wipes off in no time. All 3 brushes easily fit in this handy storage.
Clean your walls if there's any dirt or anything. It's mostly used for the shower, so this is my shower right here. I just rinsed it off and took everything outside of it because I'm going to be cleaning it. So it comes with 3 parts. This is the first part right here. This is the second part, or there's a third part right here too. So first, second, and then third up here. And it's so long, like I think even if I put it over here, like you can see, almost the size of me. But it also comes with this brush right here. It's a little pointy. I think I'm going to be using this for the top of my shower up there. Then you get this brush. You can use this for the walls. You can use it also for the drains and stuff like that. Oh, you can also use this in that little area right there where you put like your soap and stuff. And then also you get this brush. This one's so soft. And this one is basically just to clean the walls of the shower. So you'll hook all these parts together. There's a little nozzle right here and you'll undo it and stuff like that. And then you'll just push it back in. So you'll unhook it, push it back in once you have it where you need it to be. And then for the brush side, you'll just go ahead and pop this through. Just like that. And then you'll, no, it goes like that. Okay. And so here at the bottom you have the on and up button. I don't think you can really see that, but off is down, on is up, so you'll just press it. And then also at the bottom right here, this is where you charge it. So it also comes with a charger, and I'll show you that right now. So this is the charger that it comes with. It's a circle charger and it looks like this. And then you'll just plug this into the wall and have it charged overnight if you're going to use it the next day or when it dies, anything you want. And then it also comes with this extra piece, and those pieces are for this part right here. So now I'm going to be showing you how I clean my bathtub or my shower or whatever. So the first thing I do is rinse it like I said, and then I'm going to be using Ajax, and then this is an awesome bottle, but there's Lysol in here. Whoops. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my bathtub or my shower. So go ahead and spray it wherever you like, and then also I'm gonna be putting my Ajax in. You can use any cleaning stuff you like. This is just what I use for the shower. So I'll go ahead and put that on my walls like that. Just like that. I don't think you can see it from right here, but I sprayed it. And basically you'll just turn this on right here. And it does it for you. All you have to do is move it just like that. So this is after I rinsed out my tub and finished cleaning it. I just put that stuff back. That part is obviously not clean just because that won't ever get clean.
Depending on your purpose. Secondly, we have 360 degrees rotatable head, just connected to your brush. And finally, we have detachable arms. So you can choose the shorter version, or you can make it longer and extend it. Ready to clean. Just open the charging cover at the bottom of the main handle, insert the charging adapter into the charging port, and wait for about 8 hours to start cleaning.
Switch for more than 2 seconds while the machine is working. The machine will enter the locked state.
At this time, press the switch again. The machine cannot be normally opened. In fact, this is not a machine failure, and the machine opened the function of the safety lock.
Just press and hold the switch again for 3 seconds and the machine will restart and exit the locked state.